Welcome back to ASUS Systems again. This is Roy again. Today we are doing an Intel $1000 budget PC build. It features Welcome back to ASUS Systems. This is Roy again. Today we are featuring a $1000 budget PC build. It may seem a bit pricey given the specs. However, due to the GPU shortages and graphic card prices, this is one of the best prices you can get. This video is going to feature mid-range components, so it's one for the best value you can get. However, there are cheaper alternatives. The 10105F is a refresh processor, a 10th-gen refresh processor from Intel. It's clocked more efficiently at a 0.1 GHz speed. It has a base of 3.5 to a max of 4.4. It's 4-core 8 threads. A good, decent gaming processor. It is going to be paired with the ID Cooling 914 XT. It's an ARGB cooler. It comes with decent size heatsink to keep the processor nice and cool. Today we're going to use 2 sticks of 8GB Lexar RAM clocked at 3200 MHz with a CL of 19. We choose to go with 16GB because this is one of the best storage size for RAM. It doesn't slow down the system and is able to multitask efficiently. The SSD for today is same with the rest of our videos. The Lexar 512 NVMe M.2 SSD. As mentioned again, it's a decent read and write and is able to last a pretty long time. The motherboard is going to be the ASRock B560M AC. It's similar to our previous i7 build video, and it was able to perform pretty well. It has no problem pairing with the i3. The GPU will be the Gigabyte 1650 WindForce OC 4GB. It's a decent spec GPU, able to handle most games at medium to high range. And given that it comes with 2 WindForce fans, it's able to keep the GPU nice and cool and also run quietly. The ROG STRIX 550 watt Go power supply is a dependable power supply. Even though this system does not require 550 watts, it's able to supply nice and efficient power to the system, so that it's able to keep all the components running for a pretty long time. The case is a Tecware Forged M2 ARGB. It comes with 3 ARGB fans. It has great customizability and it's one of my favorite cases to build in, as this is a simple system to put together. Once again, this will be a time lapse. If you all guys are more interested in a detailed guide, please let us know in the comments. Given the budget spec of this PC, it's able to put up more than 60 FPS in our Endwalker benchmark. And as you can see, based on the temperatures of the CPU, the cooler is keeping it nice and cool. Based on this benchmark, this PC is able to put up more than 200 FPS in Valorant. It's able to handle most AAA games at low to medium settings, which will be more than ample to perform pretty well in any games thrown at it.